Okay. If we just do one jacket or one clothes, for example, the chest logo, we just do one. Okay, we don't need this. Or this is also okay. But if we do 5, we do 10.
Yeah.
This
50.
Yeah, 50, 100. The quantity.
The
more, this save you more time.
okay.
Yeah, this is more powerful. Because the setting, this it takes some time to finish the setting of the first one. Yeah, but
Once you have the first one, the other will go.
Yeah.
This is the same, and this has to change according to the size.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This area can change. We have two sizes. This is 5.1 by 5.1 inch, and we have a bigger one. This is of a bigger size.
Okay.
Yeah. Because this is the most popular ones for this. So we have this. I know later I will show you also.
Just logos and.
So Luis, we already marked the center. So we finish the setting on the first one.
Toda la camisa.
Ahí la metes como que estuvieras vistiendo
Pero
el muñeco.
metes el magneto ahí abajo. ¿Ven?
Ajá. Lo centras ahí.
When you do the first setting, because the center is here, we need to try to find the
Ya, ok.
position of the hoop.
Oh, the hoop, uh-huh.
So we need to adjust the fixture. This number help us to remember next time the size. For example, if this kind of shirt it's very common, and if it's A, maybe this is M. So you make kind of label and you write down. So next time you don't need to adjust. You just I know it's, for example, 63 is perfect for the chest logo for this size, and you just 63
Directly.
Yeah, directly, and you don't need to every time.
Yeah, to do it every time.
Yeah.
He can keep a record
Yeah.
of the numbers.
The number is help you to remember to record your experience for your future batches. For example, the small, medium.
No, according to the size.
This is also suggested.
This is M. This is M size.
So normally it's
67.
67, men 71. So we can. This is what we start to the but for example in Europe or in America, even it's M, but the size is so the customer they will adjust. It's not 71, it's 72. So they record 72 in their country.
Okay.
It's kind of standard. So anyway, it's we're close there. The number is so. To help us to get fast kickoff. To start. Okay, I show you how to use it. So when we find the center on the center on the hoop. Here we move this up here, and we put this here. We find the center, and when we do that, we will use this. This is to hold the stapler, the back.
This?
Yeah.
This moving.
Because in this way, when you put the clothes, this will not move. Yeah, this is to hold it.
Much better.
You put the hoop and you put the fabric. The first time we're setting, we need to remember the position here and here, because every time the position is the same, and then here is the same. Yeah. So what to be sure is this should be exactly this.
In the middle.
Yeah, middle. There's a line, so they always not here. So in this way they will not like this. And the shoulder. So if the first setting you have the shoulder, the line just here. See, it's the same. So the second close, the third one, everyone in production, they always
the same.
keep the same. And then you remember, okay, this here is no. Okay, then now letter B. Always B there. And then it's okay. And then you put this USB here. So for position, just put there. They don't move. They don't move a lot. Okay.
Sí, por eso, pero ahora,
Ya lo sacaste bien pegado, ya no se te va a mover.
then you have to remove this one.
Yeah, this remove.
You have center this one.
Ajá.
Por máquina, por cabeza, digamos.
Y un reflejo.
And then you have a second hoop. This on the machine, and then you just.
In the meantime, you prepare the second.
Yeah, you do this one.
Ya no te estás quebrando la cabeza porque te quede calculado.
So normally when we do the business, it's not the only one, right?
Yeah.
So the second one just
Prepare.
yeah.
Very easy.
Yeah, very
Very
easy.
nice.
Just remember the first setting. You need to remember the shoulder, the neck, the middle.
Center.
Just say it's okay.
It's like,
Maybe there's some small variation.
but it's almost the same.
Yeah, but it's very small variation. When you
Esos materiales los usarías ya.
because the
Tiene
fabric
medidas,
it's soft, so it's not like when we do
Pero
we have
luego,
to injection molding, right?
Yeah.
It's not
Te
the
piden
same
140.
machine.
Yeah, exactly.
0.1.
Para
This is normal.
Yeah, it's normal.
Normal.
The precision is higher than when we do this structure. It's higher, repeatable.
Yeah.
And the magnetic hoop, there's no straight burr. The hooping burr. I mean
This one?
the trace. There's no. Because 2 weeks ago we have a rush of customers. They come. They say, because of this. So every time they need to explain to their customers, because this is made by embroidery, so we have this trace. We cannot remove it because this is produced. It's happened in the process, the embroidery process. It's very difficult to really remove that. But the magnetic hoop, there's there's no this trace.
No,
Better quality.
Yeah. So the second one,
no es la manera de poner el papel. Es the way to put the bond paper is okay. You do it yourself.
can't fail that.
Sí,
Yeah. So you don't need to strike into this true pattern.
Hasta acá ya se abre.
sí. Sí, como solo está posicionado. Y son
Este sí tiene un magneto también, ¿no?